The ShelterLogic Portable Outdoor Garage stands out as a reliable solution for those seeking a durable and versatile shelter. Crafted with a 1 5/8 inches /3, 1 centimeter all-steel frame and a patented alpine design, this portable garage promises to weather the elements and provide a secure storage space. In this comprehensive review, we delve into the features that make this shelter noteworthy and explore considerations that potential buyers should keep in mind. Frame construction. The backbone of the ShelterLogic Garage is its robust 1 5/8 inches /3, 1 centimeter all-steel frame, bonded with a thermoset premium powder-coated finish. This finish not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also prevents chipping, peeling, rust, and corrosion. The choice of materials and coating suggests a commitment to longevity and durability, making it suitable for outdoor use in various climates. Triple layer. The advanced engineered triple-layer ripstop polyethylene cover is a standout feature, providing a waterproof and UV-treated barrier. The inclusion of fade blockers, anti-aging, and antifungal agents further fortifies the fabric cover against the harsh effects of the elements. This ensures that the ShelterLogic Garage maintains its structural integrity over time, even in challenging weather conditions. Alpine design. The patented alpine design frame is not just about aesthetics, it plays a crucial role in the shelter's overall strength. The bolt-together hardware at every frame connection facilitates easy assembly while ensuring ultra-sturdy construction. The reinforced door rafter design and roof structure add volume and strength to the unit, making it a reliable choice for safeguarding your valuables. ShelterLock stabilizers. One of the key selling points of the ShelterLogic Garage is the patented ShelterLock stabilizers. These stabilizers contribute to rock-solid stability, ensuring that the shelter remains secure and durable. The stability factor is especially important for those in regions prone to high winds or heavy snowfall. Things to consider. While the ShelterLogic Portable Outdoor Garage impresses with its design and features, user feedback highlights a critical consideration. A user from Vermont reported issues with the cover after one summer use. The UV damage led to tears in the cover, particularly on the side facing the sun. This raises questions about the effectiveness of the UV protection and the overall durability of the cover material. Users in regions with significant sun exposure may need to assess the long-term viability of the cover and consider investing in a heavier-duty replacement. Final verdict. In conclusion, the ShelterLogic Portable Outdoor Garage impresses with its sturdy construction, innovative design, and weather-resistant features. Despite potential challenges with instructions, the overall quality and reliability of the shelter make it a viable choice for those in need of extra storage space or a shelter for vehicles. Buyers are advised to approach assembly with careful attention to detail and consider the ventilation needs to address condensation issues effectively. The ShelterLogic Garage stands as a commendable solution for individuals seeking a durable and weather-resistant outdoor shelter.